Hello everybody, welcome to online class. In last class we were discussing regarding the unit 2 and we are done with it. So today we'll start with the unit 3, that is women entrepreneurship. Okay. In women entrepreneurship, that is in today's class, we'll understand the meaning, definition and the characteristics of women entrepreneurship. Let's begin. Okay. In modern days, modern women do not want to confine her world and activities to the four walls of house. She is extending her field of activities to business and industries also. Okay. Nowadays, women lead an enterprise. In India, women entrepreneurship was focused on pickles, papads and appliances, toys, utensils, engineering, electronics, energy and so on. Okay, the list is very big because woman is entering in many fields. Okay, in many circumstances, women self-help group are doing immense job. Today's women are known for their accuracy, efficiency, commitment, financial discipline and so on. Research studies have revealed that women are best fitted for monotonous work because they are not bored by repetitive work. They enjoy their work. They enjoy doing the same work again and again. Okay, modern woman is anxious to get independence by excelling in industries too. Not only in the business field, they also enjoys the industries also. Just like any other field of work, beauty parlors have offered a lot of opportunities to women entrepreneurs. Okay, so what is the women entrepreneurship? Okay, women entrepreneurship is nothing but the woman who think of business enterprise, who initiate it, who starts it, who organize it and combines all the resources so that to carry on the enterprise and undertakes business risks and economic uncertainties that arise in carrying on the business. If women perform the functions of an entrepreneur, it is called as what? Woman entrepreneurship. Okay, then the definition. According to Government of India, a woman entrepreneur is defined as an enterprise owned and controlled by a woman having a minimum financial interest generated in the enterprise to women. See what the definition explains, that business is established and run by women who are also doing exceedingly well in academics, politics, administration, defense, social work and household chores. Okay, we'll understand this woman entrepreneurship in detail with the help of the characteristics. So the first characteristic is teeny and very small business unit. See, because of women's first priority to family obligation and family commitment, woman selects the size of the entrepreneur business, that is small, which is very teeny, which is very small. Okay, next is extension of kitchen experience. See, majority of women started their business units by their kitchen experience. In fact, they started to prepare and sell eatables like pickles, papad, powder and so on. Okay, by and large, even today also women entrepreneurship has got strong relation with kitchen and eatables. Okay, next is more problems and challenges than male entrepreneurs. See, woman has to face the problems as a woman, that is the family commitments, family restrictions, family ties, and then secondary is she has to face as usual problems that comes in the business like shortage of capital, shortage of raw materials, etc. Hence, we can say that woman is expected to face problems in two directions. Okay, next is size of family and success rate. The research studies have revealed that the women coming from small families have achieved a remarkable success, as she will be getting the support from all the members of the families. But the women coming from the large size families are not doing well in the business. It may be because of her family ties, family restrictions or family commitment. She is not performing well in the business. Okay, next is emotional dependence on male. See, many women are not confident of their own capabilities and they need male support to have their own business. Okay, they need support in terms of money, business know-how and moral support. Okay, next is major finance of finance. Important source of a business is what? That is finance. Then the source of this finance to women entrepreneurs is from their family and personal savings. Okay, family members of women are playing vital role in decision making, starting and checking the routine work and financial management. So she has to depend on her family and personal savings. Okay, next is women entrepreneurship in rural areas. See, even in rural areas, if the woman who receives the family supports are managing the enterprises effectively, who do not, they are not doing well in their business. Okay, next is major of women entrepreneurs are housewives. See, majority of women entrepreneurs are growing in semi-urban areas and belong to middle class are housewives. Most of the units of the women entrepreneurs are small in terms of capital investments, labor employed, and in return they are getting the very less sales turnover. Next is age of women entrepreneurs and social factors. Majority of women entrepreneurs started their business units in the age group of 26 to 35 years, which shows that this age is most suitable for adopting into self-employment. Majority women have no previous experience in the business. Most of new entrepreneurs have good educational background and have no income before the establishment of the business. Women belonging to non-business family background are also doing well. Okay, next is types of business. Women entrepreneurs generally prefer small enterprises which are having a low risk, less employment generation, low capital investment, operation restricted to a saturated market and extension of domestic activities. Most of the women entrepreneurs prefers what? Service sectors because of all these factors. Next is scope of activities of women entrepreneurs. Most of women entrepreneurs like to operate their business near their homes. That is homes followed by near the market. Okay. Next is entrepreneurs in rural and semi-urban areas. Such women entrepreneurs were engaged in activities like selling vegetables, fruits, flowers, okay, etc. Such women like the entrepreneurs or the women entrepreneurs in rural and the semi-urban areas. Okay, they are engaged in what? Activities like selling vegetables, fruits, flowers, etc. Since such business requires what? No technical skills but requires high lung power. But women entrepreneurs in urban areas started and operating successfully non-traditional businesses like IT centers, electronic items, manufacturing units, printing press, then engineering chemicals, etc. Lack of mobility. See, women lack mobility. She cannot go anywhere at any time to attend the business work because of what? Atrocities, torture, abuse which she is facing nowadays. Not nowadays, from the many years. Okay, she cannot go freely at any time. Efficiency of women is curbed by this lack of mobility. Hence, women are facing some troubles from men at the cost of their women entrepreneurship. Okay, next is less property in the name of women. See, due to culture and traditions in India, women are not given rights in the family properties. Even though there is a law in this respect, she is not given properties except dowry at the time of marriage. Banks are hesitating to give loans and advances to women as she has no properties in her name, because banks will give their money against the securities. As the woman has no property in her name, banks are hesitating to give the loans and the advances. Therefore, women cannot take finance from the banks easily. Okay. Next is socio-cultural norms. Indian society imposes what? Number of restrictions on women. Such social restrictions and religious principles have stood in the way of women entrepreneurship. Society specifies do's and don'ts to women. Such restrictions are restricting the ability of the woman. Okay, this is regarding what? Meaning, definition and characteristics of the women entrepreneurship. The remaining topics on this, that is on women entrepreneurship, will understand one by one in the next class. Okay, thank you.